Can you tell Nathan to not throw rocks up in the air?
Oh my goodness.
What in the holy hell is going on here? See something pretty?
Oh, you got this. I got the back half of it.
So we're doing a project. I was tearing apart a transfer case, in very good timing. Because my buddy here, Zach, Mr. Sting 65, a little bit of an issue. Tried to come home yesterday from work. So we're gonna take a little bit of this, and we're gonna take a little bit of, I don't know, something else, one of these, and we're gonna make a transfer case.
Sweet.
Good times.
So dirty.
You take your Jeep off road or something?
Once I went into a mall parking lot. It was really scary. I hopped the curb and everything. I don't think I've ever used this one. There we go.
Ain't that fancy.
So much nicer than the squeeze out stuff.
No kidding, dude. It's almost too fancy.
Like that.
Gee, where's the lunchbox?
Oh. So I was taught is to snug them and then wait a half an hour and then go a quarter turn.
That's since we're working with the Jeep.
Right.
Okay, and
So it's a little tricky. You gotta.
Is this supposed to be chewed up like that?
Yeah, that's right.
So,
And you just gotta kind of worm that into the hole.
worm it into the hole. What's up, Nikolai?
Worm it into the hole.
What's up, Nikolai?
Can I have a piece of pizza?
Go ahead.
What do you say?
Please and
No.
thank you.
Yep,
There you go. Good job, Nico.
Alright, so worming into the hole sounds real easy. Do you have a pick?
Yeah.
Some of the dominoes stuff.
Yeah.
What?
Some
Yeah.
of the dominoes.
I don't know.
Want to be a YouTube star, Gigi?
Yeah.
You got it?
I think. Yeah, kind of.
Go ahead, Gigi. You can have a piece of pizza. That's fine.
What about the other stuff?
Yeah, go ahead. There's garlic rolls and cinnamon thingies.
Cinnamon thingies.
Just don't destroy them all. You can have a couple of them.
Okay, so it lined up, but I can't get it to go in. Is it supposed to be that tough to get in there? Up!
There we go. There you go.
And that just sits on there like that, right?
Yep, just sits on there like that. And then we'll take this bastard.
Nope. Fell out.
The hose fell out. Oh, shit. Pull the whole pump
I
up.
think I get it. I don't know if I can tell if I got it all the way in, but pull it this way maybe. How do you tell if you got it all the way in?
Can you lift it up?
Nope.
Yep, it's in there. Yep, you're good. Yep, you just set it down. Yep. You got it, mine. Okay, here in another 5 minutes or so.
Kind of hard to get down on there.
There you go. And then just give her a pat.
You gotta pull up on that, don't you? What, Nikolai?
Did you say you had 3 phones?
3 phones?
Yeah, Gigi was saying that.
Because Gigi knows how many phones I have.
You pull.
You only have one, but you have.
Currently, I have 2 phones on me right now. What's the second phone for?
Your heart monitor.
Yep.
10 millimeter with the 6-point is what we used.
Doctor, which one is at the house? Yes,
I don't think this is going to come quite as clean as that side, John.
Man,
It's not
no,
exactly
that looks.
smooth.
My side looks good. What's your problem?
It's kind of a rough surface, to be honest.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Doesn't fit.
The back hole line out?
Pretty close. What does it think? Pretty close. Ah. Maybe?
Maybe not. More spinny.
Yeah.
More spinny. At least we got all the hooky pucky on there.
Evenly distributed.
That's right. Sure to properly applicate your RTV.
This is the redneck version of Loctite. Just put a little RTV there in the threads.
Everything, yep. Flex seal.
You can stop a boat from sinking. There she is. Did we forget anything? Speedometer.
Last bit.
RTV that, right?
Yeah, right on top of the O-ring. This line is where you applicate RTV.
I should laugh after what it took us to get it out of there. I'm gonna clean this seal here.
Jesus
Actually.
fuck.
Oh, that's probably why.
We know what we're doing, I promise.
I don't know how, but it looks like there was mud stuck in the little groove for the seal in here.
Must have been more of that not off-roading you did.
Jumped the
More of those curb checks.
mall crawling. You ain't mall crawling, you ain't real.
That's right. Web wheeling and mall crawling, baby. Learned it on YouTube.
I feel like that's all that truck does, or Jeep does lately, is drive down the street and brake.
Shit.
It's like the truth, though. That's the worst part about it.
Did it hit the grooves? Hold on, make sure you're on the grooves.
There's no grooves.
Yeah, there's grooves in the sensor.
None.
Yeah, see these right here? So you take this right here like this.
See, I'm learning something new. That might explain why it was a bear to get out of it.
Rennie.
Bitch.
Okay.
Alright, now we can do that.
Alright, it goes like that, and then that goes like that, and then you put the bolt in.
So then why was that thing such a...
Cocksucker? Don't know. There you go. Hey!
Go until the bolt breaks.
Yep.
Okay, that's your 13. 999, my extension. That is a reassembly.
That looks better. Looks more like it's supposed to. And less. And it looks less like that.